Hey guys, so welcome to another video. My name is Moaz and in this video I will show you how to fix your iPhone if it's stuck in boot loop. So last week I was restoring my data from a MacBook Pro to my iPhone 11 Pro Max when it got stuck in the boot loop. 2 years ago I made a video on how to fix your disabled iPhone X and it has racked up to 200,000 views on YouTube. This video is very much similar to the previous video. So without wasting any further time, let's do this. So there are some new changes to macOS Catalina and Big Sur. If you are using these OS, you can no longer have access to iTunes. You can simply plug in your iPhone into your MacBook or Mac and then open Finder app and you can access all those features from the Finder app. You can update or restore your iPhone and you can also create and restore backups using the Finder app. Okay, so I'm using iTunes on Windows PC. Just go to Microsoft Store and download iTunes from there. Now open iTunes and using your Apple ID, log into iTunes. Now plug in the lightning cable to your iPhone and boot into recovery mode. To do that, you have to press a combination of buttons. Press the volume up button and then press the volume down button and then keep holding the power button unless you see the connect to iTunes screen. Now switch to iTunes window and click on update. iTunes will download the update file for your iPhone and it will take around 30 to 40 minutes depending on your internet speed. So when the update file is finished downloading, you can click on update and your iPhone will restart several times during this process and it will take around 30 minutes. So sit back and relax. So if everything goes as planned, you will see a notification on your iTunes window that your iPhone has been successfully unlocked. And now you can set up your iPhone as a new device. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I will talk to you guys in the next one.